Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Search Console performance reports in Looker Studio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Search Console performance reports in Looker Studio, begin by logging into your Google account. Next, navigate to the Looker Studio website. Once there, click on the Create button located at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. In the connectors list, find and click on Google Search Console. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. After authorization, select the specific Search Console site you want to report on. Click on Connect to proceed. You will now see the fields available for your Search Console data. You can add or customize fields as needed. Once satisfied, click on Add to Report. You will be redirected to a new report page. Now, customize your report layout to suit your needs. You can add charts, tables, and other visual elements. To display specific metrics, drag and drop the relevant fields into your report. Consider adding filters to narrow down your data insights. Save your report frequently to avoid losing any changes. Finally, preview your report to ensure everything looks correct. Your Search Console performance report is now ready in Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.